This video I'm going to show you how to take an exam using the Lockdown Browser. Log into your course, go to wherever your exams are stored. Then for my class, it's here in the using the Lockdown Browser. You click the practice test and you come over here and click start attempt. Okay, now it's going to say it wants to start the Lockdown Browser. Yes. So here comes the browser. It takes a few seconds to load. Okay, so you got a bunch of things over here you got to walk through. First one is agreeing to the license. Now it wants to check your webcam. So just trying to find my webcam. There it is. I'm on my back deck. So it's going to record here for 5 seconds. And it's going to say, hey, it worked. Oh yeah, continue. Okay. So more instructions. Read these instructions. Don't do it where other people are around. Turn off the TV, etc. You know how you take a test without being distracted. Okay. So read these things, and they're good tips. So next, you're going to take your picture. Okay. So those are all the. So here, we want to take our picture. So look at the camera, take your picture. Oh, gotta click the right place. Take your picture, do it again. Okay, so there you go. So now, it's hard to hold my phone and do all this simultaneously. I don't have a phone holder. See if it works. Okay, it worked. So now you gotta start recording and show your surroundings. So here's the table that I'm doing my work on, and there's nothing on the table, nothing on the ground around me, except for my dog over there. Okay. So once you're done with that, you stop recording. It's going to check to make sure the recording worked. So if you don't like the video, you can take a new one by clicking try again, as it says right there. Okay, so it did it. So now we can continue. So now it wants to make sure it can identify who I am, and we begin the exam. This is a tough exam. It has 2 questions, and they don't, so did you download it, and are you using it? So I'm getting them both wrong just for fun. So you submit it, then it asks if you have any feedback. Oh, well, it tells you it's submitted. It's going to ask if you have any feedback, and so you submit that, and voila, you're all done. So now you can exit that, and the exam is finished. Boy, that's hard. That took about 20 takes. There you go.